Today, we will talk about how to mine cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and many other blockchain networks use the proof of work (POW) consensus algorithm for cryptocurrency mining. There are many possible ways to mine cryptocurrency. It can be done alone or in conjunction with others. You can use special mining computers or even the devices already found at home, like your personal computer. While anyone can become a miner, not everyone becomes profitable from it. Before starting, mining requires studying, choosing the correct devices and programs, and some practical tinkering. Before starting cryptocurrency mining, one should start with a bit of research. It's because different protocols may require unique hardware and software. While mining attracts various people to the cryptocurrency ecosystem due to its possible high rewards, it also enables them to partake in an integral role in making decentralized blockchains possible. Cryptocurrency mining is a highly technical topic, and there is more than one way to do it. This video will cut through the noise and give a more practical idea about it. What is cryptocurrency mining? Blockchain networks use mining to create and validate new blocks of transactions and secure the network. In the process, the so-called miners use significant amounts of computational resources to create new units of cryptocurrencies, increasing their existing circulating supply. Bitcoin, Litecoin, LTC, and many other blockchain networks use the proof of work (POW) consensus algorithm for cryptocurrency mining. POW determines how a blockchain network reaches consensus across all the distributed participants without third-party intermediaries. In addition, it solves the double spend problem, preventing the network participants from using the same funds more than once. POW promotes good network participation by design. Miners compete by solving complex cryptographic puzzles with mining hardware to win the right to mine the next block. The first miner to find a valid solution and confirm their block of transactions receive rewards. Therefore, the process requires effort and is expensive, but it offers compensation for the work. POW mining also makes a blockchain network more decentralized. A blockchain can function as a decentralized ledger because countless distributed computers, nodes worldwide maintain it. Therefore, rather than having a single database, these interconnected computers maintain a copy of the blockchain data and communicate with each other to continuously ensure the correct state of the blockchain. However, it's also possible to disrupt a blockchain with a so-called 51% attack. While very unlikely, especially for the larger blockchain networks, a single entity or organization could, in theory, take over 50% of the network's computing power. That amount of mining power would let the attacker intentionally exclude or alter the ordering of transactions, also enabling them to reverse their own transactions. Another potential issue regarding cryptocurrency mining relates to its sustainability and expenses. Cryptocurrency mining requires significant investment, not only in hardware, but also in energy. As a result, many miners, especially those that mine Bitcoin, BTC, consume massive amounts of electricity. In addition, if a miner doesn't have access to several mining rigs and cheap electricity, the mining will unlikely ever turn into a profit. Types of cryptocurrency mining. Miners receive a block reward when they validate a block successfully. The more computing power the miners contribute to the network, the better their possibilities to validate the next block. Yet, as more miners join the game, validating blocks begin to require more computing power. Therefore, mining can become too expensive for individual miners. There is not just one way to mine cryptocurrency. So let's go through the major ones individually so that you can choose the right one regardless if you plan to mine as an individual or as part of a collective. ASIC mining. Application-specific integrated circuits, ASIC, are computers designed for a single purpose. Some ASIC mining rigs are entirely dedicated to mining cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that new ASIC models can quickly cause older designs to become unprofitable. Also, the so-called ASIC-resistant cryptocurrencies cannot be mined using ASIC miners. GPU mining. Unlike ASICs, graphics processing units, GPUs can serve more than one purpose. Traditionally, their task in a computer is to process graphics and output them to a screen. GPU mining offers a lower entry to cryptocurrency mining because users can do it with affordable and more available hardware like standard laptops. Even though you can still mine some altcoins with GPUs, their efficiency depends on the mining difficulty and algorithm. CPU mining. A central processing unit, CPU, is the primary component that operates computers. CPU mining lets you use the idle power from your computer to mine cryptocurrency. Even Bitcoin was mined at the beginning using a CPU. But nowadays, CPUs are no longer the most efficient for cryptocurrency mining due to their power constraints. Mining pools. Mining pools refer to a group of miners that join forces to combine their computing power, also known as hashing power or hash rate. As their probability of finding new blocks rises, they can earn more collectively and share the rewards. Many miners join mining pools to get a more steady and predictable outcome. Solo mining. Solo mining is the opposite of mining pools because it doesn't require other participants. In solo mining, a miner executes the mining process alone. However, especially with major cryptocurrencies, it's harder for miners to succeed due to the increasing competition from the enormous combined processing power of mining pools. Cloud mining. In cloud mining, you outsource computational work from a cloud mining farm. It usually consists of you paying for someone else to mine on your behalf. Therefore, it can make the mining process easier to start because it doesn't require specialized hardware to mine cryptocurrency. In addition, miners rent computing power from a company that can be located anywhere in the world, which means there are no electricity bills or storage issues either. However, this option can be risky as there is no guarantee that you will receive the rewards of your investment. Many of these services have even turned out to be scams. How to mine crypto. Mining has the potential to become a passive income source. You can follow this step-by-step overview guide to start mining on your own. However, keep in mind there are various approaches and techniques to mining. Therefore, these steps might not be effective for some mining methods, and others might require extra measures. Also, note that mining is not always an easy or profitable endeavor, as it can be at the mercy of fluctuating crypto prices and changing energy costs. It requires you to configure the mining devices correctly and demands some expenditures to keep the operation running on top of the initial investment. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.